Yeah, man. My happy touch base with the new JFF president this evening. But me not get through. You know, me not get through at all. The Maverick need a number for Mr. Michael Ricketts. A number that works. But seriously, congratulations are in order for Mr. Michael Ricketts, the new man in the seat of ultimate power of Jamaica's football, reminiscent of some years ago with my good friend, Kingston Boxing. Anyway, elections done, a football time now. Mr. Ricketts is the bona fide boss of Jamaica's football. Who no like it? Bite it! I want to make a special appeal though to the local football fraternity. Please, may I beg you, let us not deal with the football politics like how we deal with the regular politics in Jamaica. Because some people have a different view and support different candidates, and one candidate win and the next one lose, that don't mean the losers must want the winners to fail. None of that. We want unity in the football community with all eyes on the bigger prize of the overall betterment of Jamaica's football. After that sermon, I just want to say to President Ricketts, we will not mark you any harder than any other president or mark you any easier than any other president. We are all about the football. But President, me need a number for you. Have to keep in touch with you, Mr. Ricketts. I need a number. Hold on. Hello? Who this? Yes. You have a president number? Eh? Is Mr. Ricketts? No, sir, you never saw presidential a while ago. No. But congratulations and welcome to the big times, Mr. Ricketts. No, we don't start on a wrong footing, sir. Me not pressure you, but me never know it was you. All right, let me save your number. Let me save your number. Yes. Yes, Mr. Ricketts. Yeah, hello. Him gone. We start on a wrong footing for true. Mr. Ricketts.